Welcome, son. Thank you, Father. Lovely place.
Yeah.
Welcome, Your Majesty.
Thank you, my lovely wife. Good day, my queen.
Thank you. Your Majesty, who is he?
His name is Dike.
Yes.
Okay.
He's my son.
Your son?
Yes.
How? I don't understand.
What do you mean by how? You mean I cannot father a son? That's an insult.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Speak no further. You will accept him whether you like him or not. He is my son. Son, come on, let's go.
It's okay, Father. Let's go.
Came to my house with a gun. You are not my husband's son. Who are you?
Your plan is to throw me out of this palace. You think I will let that happen?
Pack your things and leave my house. You are not a member of this royal family.
Ooh. Your Majesty, do you know I can shoot you right now, right here, and nothing will happen? My father, the king, will defend me because I'm the heir apparent.
My husband, His Majesty, is not your father. Go ahead and shoot me!
How dare you talk to me in that manner?
Your Majesty. What sort of dream was that? My husband's son?
Stop it, Vicky, stop it! I am warning you. I am warning you. See, I don't have time for you. Stop it. I don't want to have peace of house. Look, I go run you streets now. I go run you streets. And I tell you. I didn't touch your wine. You did not touch my wine? Yes, I did. Who tampered with the wine I left in my room? Will you stop blabbing? Who even told you I touched your wine? Who even told you I did? The maid who saw you entering my room today told me everything. So not just come, they come blow life for me here because if I run enter your spirit, Nana, your mama said when born you not go recognize you. Let me have my wine, no, I don't want you. I just told you I didn't touch your wine. You don't touch my wine? Yes. Who go? Who go? I didn't touch your wine. Come on, give me my wine. You won't slap. Stop it. You won't slap me. Stop that. Vicky. Mona, Vicky. Vicky. I'm respecting you as my other sister. Vicky. No, what? You want Vicky, don't try me, oh.
Who go? Calm down. Calm down. Vicky, what is it? What is it? What is it? Eh?
Don't be the ass. Don't be the ass question. Don't be the ass. What I want Vicky. You're looking at her and she's hitting me. One how? I told her I didn't take her wine, which she's accusing me of stealing. Tell her if she as much as raise her hands again, I will kill her. I will kill her. You will kill who?
Did you take her wine?
I'm warning you. I didn't take her wine, mother. I didn't. You did not take my wine. She's only accusing me, and the next time you do it again. The next time you do it again. Okay. Because you wear white and white, you carry hostage. You say the dance at Tilogo, I mean the shake body for mama. Want this your pikin. If I run enter and she no go like me, I no see my head no there so. I dey craze so. Mama I dey craze so.
Victoria, calm down.
Let's get enter my room, ban out my wine. They tell me to make her calm down. Calm down for what now?
I will talk to her. I will find out the truth. Mama, people will kill me in this house. Eh?
Want this girl? One arm, oh, one arm. Now my last one, you
your sister almost pushed me down. Eh?
I dey talk wine, say them push you down. What you concern me? Concern pushing down.
Bye, Abacha. Go na Abacha, Abacha. Go na Abacha. Buy a delicious Abacha. Buy a Abacha. Abachuto, delicious Abacha. Buy your Abacha. It's all about you and Abacha. Oh, everybody is buying Abacha today. Buy your Abacha. Abachuto. Sweet Abacha, sweet Abacha, sweet Abacha. Sweet Abacha, sweet Abacha, buy Abacha.
Talk to me. Tell me about your new cash.
Oh, it's like gist. But wait, are you really anxious about this thing?
Yes, I'm curious to know because you're my kid sister. I deserve to know everything you're doing.
Okay, it's okay. Since you want to know, I'll tell you. So this guy is so fine. I met him online. He's very tall, he's fine, he's cute. Oh, you know my spec. Hey! You're just explaining. He's too fine. Because
he must be
cute. What can you say? Fine, tall, bobo, sweet guy. You know me now, I know they carry last.
Hey! Only you.
What is going on here? Huh? Hey. Oh.
Sorry, let me off it.
Ugo, Ebele, you have the effrontery to smoke in this house. How do you think your father will feel when he sees you smoking? Huh?
Mother, you have to calm down. It's not a big deal to smoke now.
I'm talking to you. You're still lighting your nonsense.
Mother, you know I'm not happy. Allow me to cool my temper with this.
Mother!
Yes?
Shebi, you don't see him. Mama, sure you dey see him. This is the exact drink I was talking about this afternoon. And this Oloshi where they this thief, this were tell me say not be she carry the drink.
Adai, Oya, calm down. At this point now, I beg you, just calm down. Leave the drink. I'll buy another one for you. I'll replace it.
Make thunder fire you and your orange wig where you wear. You dey mad, they Kabi? Show you the craze.
And you see, I'm coming hard now.
Wait till you want me to talk.
Shut up! Who's this one working first like an expired Chivita?
Did you just slap me?
Vicky. I mean you carry crown cover your sense. Vicky. Are you crazy?
Oh, just slap me now.
And I will slap you again if you open your mouth. Are you mad? If I slap
you, keep quiet!
Mama, please, I am begging you in the name of Una. No, I know they like problem. I did my own and then they come find me. Tell her, one who got to replace my drink in the next 1 hour. Else, you see this palace, you know go contain all of it. Yawa go gas here.
If you do this the way they do it, man, you don't do and cross my side.
Slap me, you don't talk
no, do and reach my side. You don't do.
You don't do.
You slap me, I leave. You don't even try to
handle it.
I mean, you don't go talk anything. Because of how much drink, me I go carry my own drink. They run. Because of how much.
What kind of children is this one?
Mama. Chineke me. You did not finish selling your Abacha.
Mama, I did not do.
What happened?
Market is bad.
Hey.
I fear the raw.
What is happening these days?
Mama, I don't know.
The same story every day. Yesterday. What is going on?
Mama, John, no. How am I supposed to know? I think it's time I change my market strategy.
How?
For days I've not sold anything.
How? Change your market strategies. How?
Mama, I can try the neighboring village. Go somewhere else. Abacha. Mama, Juzinambiko.
You will go to somewhere else. Oh God. What is happening? Before you have been selling well. What is happening these days?
Mama, some days are like that. Ina juko ni marozi. Ogo bu ni posile. Ego ni ne biara ya kwenwe ajuzinam.
Mama, good evening. Sister, good evening.
Okay, good evening. Where are you coming from?
Mama, what else one way you? You asking me am I coming from? Don't have the right, the full right to go wherever I want to go and come back whenever I want to come back.
As a full-grown man, you be. But I have the right to know where you went.
Am I here to now, Jumia? Because Obi is no longer a boy.
Mechiano. Asigi mechiano uchenna.
Also,
Ina
Do, sister. Please and please. I'm not in all lane, yeah? Stay your lane, I stay my lane. You go your hustle, I go my hustle.
Uchenna.
Mama?
Shut your mouth.
Just
shut your mouth.
Efulefu. Mama, acquire your heir apparent to this family.
And so?
Of this family, Kina Agui Yakita. The heir apparent of this family.
Oh, boy.
Stay your own, I did my own. Stay doing something.
Yes, and that's why my father used to tell us that whatever you sow, you shall reap. And that's the very reason why I've been admonishing you and your sisters to be of good behavior.
Dad,
Yeah.
have I ever disappointed you?
Never. In fact, amongst all my daughters, you're my favorite, you know that. Yes.
Thank you,
And,
Dad.
yeah, I remember my little mother each time I set my eyes on you.
Oh.
Yes.
Dad, now I know why you fondly call me Nenaya.
Because each time I do, I see the image of my mother. And I loved her so much.
Aww.
Yes, I see your, in everything, behavior, call it. You took after my mother. Who is there?
It's me. It's Vicky, Father. I want to have a word with you.
Vicky, I don't have the time right now.
Father, I said I need to talk to you right now.
Victoria, you are disturbing my evening. Please.
Really?
Dad, please, just let her come in.
Oh, I see. Joy is there. That is why you don't want me to come in. Good night. Witches.
No, Daddy. Please, just allow her come in. So she doesn't think I'm the reason you don't want to see her. Let me quickly see her, Dad. Please. Vicky!
to my father's room to have a talk with him. And my father sent me out of his room. Wow. Just wow. Because suddenly you have become nothing, absolutely nothing in this palace. I don't know what the hell I'm doing here. Should be out of this place real soon. Really, really soon. What?
Vicky.
What? What is it?
Why are you shouting? Are we quarreling?
We're in the room having a bath. You're asking me if we're quarreling. What do you want?
Sister, you're still smoking.
Sister, me, sister. How many years have I senior you? See this old meat. You're calling me sister. Auntie, calling me sister. By the way, why are you here? And moreover, I am not in the right frame of mind for your sermon. So say whatever it is you have to say and get out.
Actually, that's not why I'm here.
But what? But what exactly? What have you come to say? Listen, if you know what is good for you, carry out your big bomb tongue outside that door before I give you backhand slap.
Sister, you're chasing me out of your room?
No, I'm not chasing you. I'm swinging you out of the room. Leave my room, my friend. Come on, go outside. Who's coming to preach someone? You're asking me if I'm still smoking. No, I'm banning. Oh, dear. My father like that.
If I change my location now, I need to go early.
To the city?
Yes.
Why city?
Mama, we discussed this already. That I need to give it a trial.
Please, my daughter, I am only concerned.
I know.
Biko, just take care. Biko, be careful. Biko, thank you. Biko.
Mama Tina.
Sorry, my dear. Sorry. Oh.
You! What do you want?
You have no right to ask me that question, but I'm here to see my father.
And who is your father?
If you must know, Igwe Ezeoba is my father.
You are not wanted here. Now leave at once.
Your Majesty, do not try to stop me, for if you do, you will regret it instantly.
Really? Guards! Seize him!
I told you if you try to stop me, you will regret it. Now you're going to pay with your life.
This dream again. This is becoming serious. Who is this young man that always attacks me in my dream? I think it's time I ask my husband some questions. Maybe he's hiding something from me. Majesty.
You look worried. Anything the matter?
I am worried, Your Majesty.
Why?
I had that same dream again. About the young man who claims to be your son.
Why are you bothered? It's a mere dream.
No, Your Majesty. It's no more a mere dream. The repetition of it gives me a serious concern. Your Majesty, please. Is there something you're not telling me? Do you have a son somewhere?
Say no such words to me again. I'm a man of integrity, and you know it.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. It's not as if I don't trust you. But the repetition of the dream makes me worried.
Don't bother yourself, okay? It's a mere dream. When you think of a particular thing all the time, it comes as a reflection in your dreams.
I think so.
Yeah.
Uchenna, good morning. Good morning. Who tampered with the money I kept inside my bag? Eh? Money, in fact, near me your face. Look at your money. What do you mean you did not take any money from my bag? In that wala. You're accusing me, Uchenna. I know that money is inside your bag. Give it to me. Sister, I don't steal. Mama have taught me not to steal. I don't steal people's money. I'm a child of God. Nah. Gente, ejikwana mgwebu no utwa. Iniye na agwage. I don't take your money now. I don't take your money now. What's going on now? Mama, what did you wear inside my bag and took the money I put there? Mama, you know I don't insist. Sister, I was coming where I don't take your money. But that's it, Mama. Hey! Uchenna. Mama, did you see it? Onyoshi! Nenu! Are you going to be here? No, stupid boy.
I overheard you telling your sister
very wicked
that you did not take her money. Uchenna, what is this?
Mama? Mama? Mama, since my sister had decided not to help me in this house, since she decided to have Obiakpo for me, Mama, whenever I see any opportunity, I will take it. Nobody should blame me.
Uchenna, whenever you see any opportunity by taking your sister's money, ego tachara fufu pata.
I don't want them more.
Uchenna, taking her money is an opportunity.
Mama, she's my sister. I only took the money just to stop 1 or 2. I mean 1 or 2 para. What yours? It's not stealing. It's my sister's money. It's not stealing.
Uchenna, I'm ashamed of you. Yes, Ifere mebukwagi. Ifere mebukwagi.
Mama, your only son.
Uchenna, Ifere mebuogi. Only son again. Arabachikwa again to gini izuoshi.
Mama, your heir.
Uchenna, I don't blame you. I don't blame you because I give you food. Onwere ihe na-arụ ịkwụgharịcha abata nye gị nri rie. So, go ahead. Steal your sister's money because nechiri aka na aja. Echiri gị aka na mud, si ga go and look for your own. Go outside and look for job. So that they will pay you money.
Mama, no problem. No problem. Since that is like this now, everybody should stay on their own.
Away.
Whenever I mind that business, I know now. Everybody should stay on their own. If not, Mama only to what, yeah? Only to what? I can't answer. Mama only to what, yeah?
It's what, yeah? Uchenna, only to what, yeah? You do not go, yeah? Hey! You know one more? Uchenna, you did not take money. You did not take money. But now, the money is right inside your pocket.
All the
Afternoon.
Who are you and what do you want?
I'm Tony by name. I'm here to see my friend Vicky. Sorry about this.
You are here to see Vicky, my daughter.
Yes, Your Majesty.
All the
Hold on! I'm in the toilet, hold on! I'm in the toilet! I'm coming!
Yes, Oh, Mom. I didn't know it was you.
Why did you lock yourself in here this afternoon? Huh?
I was just, you know, I needed to rest. Chill a little bit, you know, by myself. You know, I like to chill. Yippee!
I can see you're chilling.
Yes, Mom. Chilling big time. Chilling with the big girls. I hope there's no problem, Mom.
There's a young man down there that said he wants to see you.
Oh. A young man?
Yes.
Ah.
Come with me.
Right after you, Mom.
We are going together now.
Mom, take a chill pill. If you snooze, you lose, you know. I said I'm right after you.
Let's go.
Okay, Mom.
Come on, drop that thing. Drop it.
Mom, it's just...
I said drop it. Vicky.
Mama.
I've told you several to stop smoking. I don't want your father to see this.
Mom, cool down. Take a chill pill. Mom, if you snooze, you lose.
Let's
go. What time? Okay. I got you.
Have you been drinking too?
No! Can I drink? Hell no. I don't drink, Mom. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go, Mom. My phones. That's all. Right after you.
Okay.
Mom, I'm with you.
Go ahead, go. I'll go after you.
Mama.
Action. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Oh, my baby! You're looking beautiful, Angel.
Thank you. Thank you.
Walk it for me. Let's smell.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry,
Mom.
my queen. I'm sorry.
Tony,
Yep.
this is my mother. Mom, this is my friend. He's my fiance.
My pleasure, my queen.
Thank you.
You are looking so good.
Thank you,
Take a good look at
Angel.
you.
You're looking sweet. Looking.
I know. You want me to turn around?
Walk it for me.
Oh.
You got all I always
I look good.
Walk it for me. Walk for me. Yeah, walk it for me. Walk for me. Sorry, Mom. My pleasure, my queen. Sorry. Love so strong.
Very strong.
Thank you. Victoria,
Mom.
Can I see you?
Okay, Mom, but let me take him inside first so he could, you know,
yes.
relax.
I said now.
Angel, it's okay. Don't worry. Go in. I'll wait for you here.
All right, snuggle bunny. Oh, you look so good. Turn it off for me.
Love you.
Yes, Mom.
Victoria.
Yes, Mom.
Did you say that young man out there is your what? Your friend?
I thought I told you. He's my fiance. He's not just a friend.
Are you out of your mind? Victoria!
Mother, what is wrong? Tony is a good man. A very good man.
Will you shut up your mouth? What is wrong with you? Look at the kind of irresponsible man you're going out with. Eh?
Mother.
Have you forgotten who you are?
Mother,
Have you forgotten your status?
You need to calm down. Tony is not irresponsible. You've not even had a talk with him and you're
I will slap you. I will slap you if you argue with me one more time. Listen. Go there. Tell him to leave immediately before your father sees him.
Mother, please don't start. You need to take it easy. Tony is a very good man. You need to talk
Victoria,
with him.
you heard me.
Mother, you have not even had time to have a talk with this man.
I am not interested.
Mother, how do you want me to tell him to leave? That this
Go
is
and tell
the
him
first
to
time
leave.
he's coming here. I'm not telling him to leave.
The things I see in the parlor
troubles everywhere. Arrogancy.
Who are you and what are you doing here?
My king. Good day, my king. Good day. I'm Tony by name. I'm here to see Vicky, my friend.
You have come to see my daughter. And you're smoking the palace out.
I'm sorry about this. I'm sorry. So sorry.
Oh, Father, you met me already.
Father, this is Tony.
Yep.
Tony, this is my father.
My pleasure.
He is my fiancé.
Your fiancé.
Yes, Father. He is my fiancé and he has
Will you shut up? Your fiancé. Now who is he?
Father, I just told you. He's Tony.
Tony.
And he came to see you.
Yes.
Now get out before I send the guards after you.
Father, this is not fair.
Hey, shut up and get inside. Now get out.
Kid, I love you, Kid.
I love you too. Father, this is not Tony.
If you go. Come, guards. Yes, don't let her go with him.
If I slap you now, eh? Good.
What is going on? Huh? The same young man that attacks me in my dream is a friend to my daughter? What a coincidence. Your Majesty.
My queen.
Did you see the young man your daughter brought to this house?
But I told her not to allow her father see the young man.
You're not saying anything.
Yes, Your Majesty. I saw him. It's the same young man that claims to be your son in my dream.
You know him?
I've never met him until today. Why will I be seeing someone I've never met before in my dreams? Your Majesty, you see why I've been worried?
I don't think you should be worried. You know why?
Why, Your Majesty?
The dream is trying to warn you ahead of that young man that has an affair with our daughter. So I think we should warn her to stay away from him.
The dream was to warn me about the young man's affairs with my daughter? I don't think so. There's more to this. There's more to this.
I would say this one goes sweet past the one of yesterday.
Trust me now. My Abacha na test and see.
Okay, I go test them now, I go see now.
You will see, don't worry.
Who better for more?
Don't worry, I will.
I go tell you about this Abacha.
You need to just tell him.
This Abacha where they see now, the Igbo's favorite.
Hey.
And you go like him.
Yeah.
Put that one, put that one. Mama!
What are you doing?
I'm back.
dare you? Huh? How dare you bring a stranger into this compound?
Good afternoon, my princess.
Mama, she's not a stranger. She's a regular Abacha seller. Abacha na top.
Are you normal? Are you sure you're okay?
Of course, I'm fine, sir. Yeah? Come and greet her now.
Madam, Abacha.
The next time you address me as madam, I will deal with you. I'm sorry. And if I see you again in this compound, I will get you arrested. Now get lost. Get out!
Wait.
Father.
Yes. What is it?
Look at this idiot. This street urchin had the audacity to insult me, the princess. Now get out. Out!
What are you doing here?
My name is Kate, sir. I'm only a Abacha seller.
Hi, Igwe. Ita Abacha Kate. Igwe. I know you can perceive the aroma from there. Abacha, this girl is one in town. Eh? The Ngwe. Oh, dear.
Will you keep quiet? How dare you? Are you mad? Why will you be talking when...
Just the explanation of the Abacha.
I'm sorry, sir. I'll not enter here again.
You said? What did you just call the king? Did you just say, sir? Don't you know that the man standing before you is the king?
Let her go.
Thank you.
Now take your things and
Oh,
leave.
okay, sir.
Let me not see you in this compound again. And you, if you know what you're here to do, better do it and do it right. Idiots.
Money Abacha na Turkey. If you know the taste of this Abacha, your mindset will change. Abacha Kate. Hey! Jiboma.
Oh no. You see, I came in respect of our discussion last time concerning Igwe. You see, it gives me sleepless nights each time I remember that this kingdom has no heir to the throne. Yeah? Are we going to sit back and fold our hands and do nothing about this?
May the gods forbid that we fold our hands. I spoke with Igwe last night, but I could not discuss that issue with him over the phone.
Oh no. I suggest we pay him a visit in the city. Yes. Yeah, since he no longer visits home as he used to do. Listen, we need to do something fast. Our Igwe is not getting any younger.
Iche, I think that is what we are going to do.
Oh no, delay is dangerous. Delay is dangerous, Mechi. No one knows what tomorrow might bring.
Iche, in that case, I will inform Igwe about our visit.
Okay.
Yes, and I will call him on phone, and when I'm done with him, I will get back to you.
Good, oh no, very, very good. In that case, I'll be expecting your call. Please.
Yes, I will give you a call before evening. Exactly.
That's it.
And I will inform you our discussion.
Okay, oh no. I'll be expecting your call.
Okay.
Bawa.
Call them. Ha!
Who's that? Kate, what are you still doing here?
I came to collect my money.
Your money, how?
Have you paid me?
Of course I've paid you.
When? How? I don't
You
understand.
should check yourself very well. I've paid you. I've paid your money.
You may go.
Okay, your money is inside my room. Let's go inside. Okay?
You are very, very mad. It is stupid.
You don't even understand what I mean. Okay, you know what? Come now. Let's go to my room. Your money is inside.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
You're shouting me.
Give me my money.
Let's go
Give me my money.
Hold on.
Try it next time. You will not see me again. Come on, have my coffee. Yeah, have my coffee.
Kate. Kate? Nah, this girl's strong. See how she just jacked me. Konji ebuko mmadụ n'obodo a.
Really?
Talk to me now. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Come man, what is it?
Where's the money I asked you to give me for my toiletries?
I see. Something came up. I was about bringing that money to you. Something happened. Something serious happened. To God.
That is your way of deceiving me all the time.
You know I cannot deceive you. You know I love you very much.
Who did you? You know you love me very much. The only thing you are good at doing is to climb me. No, you cannot take care of me. Look at my skin.
I'm not skin now, man. I'm not taking care of this skin like this. But see, I promise you, from the depth of my heart, tomorrow morning, early pie, I'll bring the money to you. I'll bring it to you. No, nothing will stop me from giving the money.
Tomorrow morning. Until then, do not touch me. Stay away from me.
Ndidi, come back, Bikon. Ndidi, come back. You know your name is Ndidi. And it means patient. Answer your name now. Do like your name. So now get away, calm down. Go enter front seat for Benz. You never see me here. Kate, you're the cause of all these things. Look at my afternoon enjoyment now. You just deprive me of it. No going to use kita. I know wala. Okay, banata. It's winter. Tomorrow is another day.
What is the meaning of all this nonsense? I'm standing here along the road waiting for you. What for? You are where? You are close by. I'm right here and I'm not seeing you. Look, listen, baby, I don't like this. I don't like it at all. Telling me you're here, you're not here. I don't like that at all.
I am sorry, darling.
Don't darling me. Don't darling me. That was how your parents gave me the worst embarrassment of my life. And you didn't say anything.
But I tried.
Don't tell me you tried because you were there. You didn't say anything to protect my image.
Jesus Christ. Okay, I am sorry once again.
Don't tell me you're sorry. You're always sorry. I believe they have another man for you and you knew about it.
Tony, why would you say a thing like that? You are the only man in my life. I'm sorry this happened. I promise it will never ever happen again. Alright? You know what? Excuse me.
Nonsense.
Ta-da! Now I see you smiling.
How much is this?
Well, that is 350,000.
Baby, I told you 500,000 naira.
I know. You know what? Just take this. I'll make up the rest later.
No, I needed this money urgently. Okay, when later?
You know what? I'll do my best to get the rest of the money before the week runs out.
That's too far. Baby, that's too far, please.
I said I would do my best. Just calm down, okay? All I need you to do right now is just to take me somewhere where I can chill and have a good time.
Okay, but promise me you'll do something about the money.
But of course, I will do something about it. I need to get high. You know what time it is, baby?
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
I love when you work it out.
Oh, really?
I love when you work it out.
Oh, really?
I love when you work it out.
Sure you love
That's
it?
my girl.
I'll drive behind you, baby.
I'm right in front of you, Angel.
I'm right behind you, baby.
Alright, let's go.
With the things I see in the palace, troubles everywhere, arrogancy in the palace. Oh, Anamaju, Onyeka no chiki, Igwe Sanumo. There is no more respect in the palace. Onyeka no chiki.
Mother, why will you do that? He insulted us.
He insulted us. You shouldn't have let him go, Mother. Keep quiet. Keep quiet, both of you.
Mother, why will you let him go? He insulted us. He's not supposed to
keep quiet. Stupid girl.
You don't collect.
Are you insane?
Mother, you slapped me.
And I will remove your teeth if I hear pim again from your mouth. Let me hear pim again from your mouth.
Just look at what you are doing in the palace. Ichia, let's go.
No, stand here.
Make a real.
Stand here. See their cheap slippers.
Come on, shut up your mouth.